Hey, all right. So if you tune into the porch post, as you see, if you can see what's behind me, that has been the challenge of my 2020. The porch post split or a while ago. It was a little bit in disrepair. You can probably see from some of the old photos or videos. There was a big hole at the top. Not sure if a woodpecker got in there, but that essentially created a bunch of the other issues as far as the wood actually splitting out and some of the wood rot actually happening down below. So it took me two phases so far. The first phase, I essentially sealed the porch post that had split back into place. But as soon as I attempted to clean out some of the other pieces of the wood rot at the bottom, I noticed that, well, there were carpenter ants at the bottom, so that was definitely a challenge. So I actually had to tear out some of the wood down there, had to seal that back up, and they have some awesome products out there. Pretty much turn the wood into like new condition. Essentially with I think they call it mastic, or I think it was called quick wood, but that did the trick. And so I was out here a while yesterday trying to make all that work, but I was fortunate enough to be able to make that happen. But if you're looking to see how that process actually went, made sure I documented some of the video as far as what I actually had to do to fix the porch post at the bottom. And I wasn't really sure if that post was going to last based on the condition that it was in. But after I applied some of the new materials, it looks like it could last a good while. I had to do a little bit more work on phase 3. There's another side of the porch post that still has a little bit of wood rot, but that's going to be for another day. But I was able to fix the big issue, as well as paint the post. And my motivation, well, if you can hear it, it's the rain that's outside. You're supposed to get a lot of rain today and tomorrow. So I wanted to make sure I knocked that out before that happened. So if you want to see the details, here they are.